Hey, good morning, CC3 Math 8 students. Good news. We are starting our last unit of the year. So that is good news. When we get done with this unit, there will be no more. So let's get started. The good news is a lot of units on Khan Academy start out not so difficult. This is certainly one of them. But it's a really good exercise that we re-practice. I remembered from before, some students sometimes would struggle with graphing, some really didn't. So those who don't, you'll have an easy time with this one. So um, they're giving us this table below. The biggest thing to do when you start looking at this table right here is find your axes. So study time hours, you'll notice they have the hours as the x-axis, and they have the score over here as your y-axis. So x-axis in this case is on top, the y-axis is on bottom. So let's start graphing 1.75 and 17. So 1.75, we go over to 0.51, 1.5. Let's see, 1.75 would be right in the middle right here. And then we need to go up to 17. So we go from that 1.75, we go all the way up to 17, which is right here. And we put a dot right there, okay? Then we go 1.515, so 1.5 over and up to the 15, which would be again right between 14 and 16, so right there in the middle. 0.5 and 7, so again I'm on this one right now, 0.5 and 7. Go over to 0.5, we go up to 7, and boom, 319, so over to 3, and all the way up to 1819 right here. And we got a couple more here. 3.25 and 20. So 3.25 would be halfway between 3 and 3.5. So 3.25, and we go all the way up to 20 way up here. Put a dot right there. And then 216, we go over to 2 and 2, let's see where it's 14, 15, 16 right here. Put a dot right there. That's all there is today. You're graphing scatter plots. Let's do one more to make sure you're all okay with this one. Okay, so we got this one, professional soccer player. These are the goals. He kicked some goals with his right foot. He made some goals with his left foot. Or I guess these players do. And so we got that. Again, we got to check this out. Right foot, in this case, again, is the x-axis. So the top line is the x-axis. The left foot, which they put on the y-axis. Doesn't always go that way, so you're going to want to just always verify that before you start graphing. So Rolando, 29 for the x-axis, 6 for the y-axis, so over to 29, which is halfway between 28 and 30, and then up to 6, right about there, and we put a dot right there. 12, 6, so over to 12, up to not 6, 26, up to 26, which is way up here, and you just click on it to give it a dot there. 24 1, so we go all the way over to 24, up to 1, click on it, give it a dot right there. 18 7, all the way over to 18, up to 7, see 7 will be halfway between. Click on it, give it a dot, and then 116 over 1, which is halfway between, and up to 16. Boom, right there. All right, and that is it. Guys, this one shouldn't take you too long. Hopefully, we'll see 100% from everybody in a very short amount of time. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.